Do you want to install Google Chrome on your Mac? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome so you can be browsing on Chrome with your Mac in no time at all. So no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. So over here on my Mac desktop, we do need to go ahead and open up the browser that's pre-installed, which is Safari. It's the little compass here at the bottom. You can go ahead and left click on that and open it up. Now up here at the top, you're going to see it says search or enter a website name. This is where we're going to search for Google Chrome. So go ahead and type in Google Chrome. And then just go ahead and hit enter. And it should be the first website that pops up right here. It's the Google Chrome browser. You can go ahead and open that up. And once that's open, it says the browser built to be safe. You can see it says download Chrome right here. So for Mac OS 12 or later, go ahead and click on download Chrome. And it's going to start downloading. It says, do you want to allow downloads on google.com? Just hit allow. And it's downloading here. You can see up at the top the little bar. Give it a second. There we go, 265.3 megabytes. Now, once that's done, we do need to open it up. So again, you can click on the little downloads icon here and click on it here, or you can go to your Finder. We'll click on that, and you can click on downloads here, and you should see it in here as well, Google Chrome. So we'll go ahead and open that up, double click on it. There we go. And you'll see it's got the Google Chrome app here. So what we need to do is left click on it and hold down the mouse button. And then we're going to drag it down into the folder like this and just let it go. And it's going to go ahead and install that in our system. So a total of 715 megabytes. Give it a couple seconds here. There we go. It's complete. And then it should be here in our applications. So if you're not sure how to get to your applications, at the bottom, you'll see the little applications icon. You can open that up. And here it is at the top. We can go ahead and double click on that. And it's loading up. Google Chrome app is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We're going to go ahead and hit open. And then it says sign into Chrome. So you can click sign in here and sign into your account if you have one already. I'm going to do that later. I'll just say stay signed out. And it's going to load up Google Chrome and it's ready to go. So I can just do a search in here and start using it. It's really that simple to do. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, take care.